My name is David Fovargue and I am the Director of Listed Building Restoration, and we're working here at Maida Vale. We've been on this job for coming up for 3 years, so we're tuck pointing the whole road. Probably the biggest tuck pointing job in, I would say, in Europe. On this particular job, one of the big problems for us is there's clients, private clients, inside really expensive flats. So any dust that's going in there is a huge problem. With silica sand and bits and pieces like this, you've really got to protect your lungs all the time. We've bought the angle grinder shroud, attached that to the grinder, and that is, you can clearly see the blade still, which is really important. Literally, it cuts down the dust so much. I would say 97% of the dust is gone straight into the vacuum. You can't see it at all. We've recently purchased the DV35, and basically it's a dust extracting unit. So as soon as you turn the grinder on, it powers up the hoover at the same time, and there's a built-in vibration unit on it, so it's constantly cleaning the filter so it doesn't get clogged up. Basically, it's a huge difference, A, to the people around us and the environment. There's no dust at all. And B, for the clients who are inside the apartments, there's no dust gone in whatsoever. We obviously come across other guys doing the same job, and it's always been one of the biggest problems for repointing is the raking out. And this, as far as dust goes, is brilliant. I'd definitely recommend it.